Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you back. So today I'll be installing a kinky straight bob wig with fussy edges, guys. And this unit is from Soulady hair. It's actually my first time installing a kinky straight bob wig, and I think that makes me very excited. So the wig is a 5x5 HD lace yaki human hair, and guys, I am in love with the texture of this hair. Texture of this hair is top notch, guys, and also very original. And I love the skin melt lace, and also the fussy edges are giving, guys. And the package came with some gifts inside. So guys, let's see what the inside of the wig looks like. The wig has 3 wig combs at the front and 1 wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable straps for proper fitting. Guys, I'll just go straight to the installation of this unit, and guess what? I am rocking this wig glueless. This is going to be a glueless installation. I am so excited about that. And I styled this wig in 2 different ways in this video, and you're definitely going to love the style. Just watch till the end to see how I styled the wig, and I will go ahead and drop the link of this unit in my description box. You can go check it out, guys. So let's go ahead with the installation.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay tonight again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I never